In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the copyright text in the Shopify Dawn theme footer. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to personalize their Shopify store, making sure your branding is consistent and professional right down to the very last detail. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll need to head to your store's admin panel. From here, navigate to the online store section. This is where you can manage all aspects of your store's themes. Once you're in your store admin, look for the Themes section on the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on it. This section provides you with a list of all the themes you have installed, whether they are live or in draft mode. Next, you'll notice that each theme has three little dots next to it, indicating additional options. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Edit Code option. This action will take you into the theme's code editor, where you have the ability to customize your theme beyond the settings available in the Shopify editor. Now that you're in the code editor, take a look at the file pane on the left. This is where you'll see all the different components that make up your theme. To find what we're specifically looking for, navigate to the search bar located at the top of the file pane. This search function is incredibly useful when working in the theme editor because it allows you to quickly locate specific files without scrolling through the entire list. In the search bar, type in the word copyright. Typically, this will bring up a file or a section of code related to the footer of your website, where copyright notices are generally located. Click on the relevant search result to open the file. You'll now see the code responsible for displaying the copyright information in your store's footer. This is where you can go ahead and make your edits. Whether you're adding your store's name, the current year, or any other specific details you want to include, make sure to replace the placeholder text with your customized text. Be cautious while editing code to ensure that you do not inadvertently remove any necessary coding elements, which could disrupt the layout or functionality of the footer. Once you are satisfied with your changes, remember to save your work. There's a Save button typically located in the top right corner of the editor. Click it to apply your changes, and there you have it, a straightforward way to edit the copyright text in your Shopify store's footer using the Dawn theme. This simple customization helps reinforce your brand identity and ensures that every piece of your store reflects the image you envision. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!